Alright, Yeeps' new Labrat update just came out. Now, inside the update log, they said they added new stuff to the suburbs tech web, the wiring tech web, and the steel tech web. Ooh. Zone copier. Oh, like it can copy separate zones. Okay, let me see everything else. Let me check this out. Ooh! We have the Volt broadcaster and the D latch. Interesting. Let's go see the Outpost tech web. What? Wait, is there anything else? No, that's all. No, but actually, this is actually a chainsaw? Chainsaw. Oh my lordy lord. You need to be in creative. Wait, don't tell me. Wait, they added an item for creative only. Wait, does it still break stuff? No, so this is only for creative. Oh, griefing! Yeeps had a griefing. Yeeps had a griefing. Griefing update. Griefing update. Griefing update. Huh? Oh, that's interesting. Wait, let me try and see if I can copy one of the towers. Okay. How does this work? Why is it not letting you? I think it only works by the Y position. So I can only move it up and down. I can't copy zones in wild. Well, why didn't you just tell me? This is actually like my first lab test video. So when more labs come out, I want you guys to know, should I make more lab videos? Alright, bye.